Hello dears, this is Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Secondary School, Arakkonam. Now I am going to continue 12th Mathematics first chapter, that is Matrices and Determinant. So in this chapter today we are going to continue exercise number 1.4, question number 1, second subdivision. Listen dears, in the question number 1, solve the following system of linear equations by Cramer rule. In the second subdivision they given 3 by x plus 2y equal to 12 and 2 by x plus 3y equal to 13. From this you can see this, the value of x they given in the denominator. So we have to change it. From this in the solution, listen yes, very simple. So let or put a equal to 1 by x, a equal to 1 by x. From the given equation I am going to change these equations. From this 3a plus 2y which is equal to 12, and the second equation 2a plus 3y which is equal to 13. Listen yes, very simple. Now I am going to use the Cramer rule. To find the use the Cramer rule, first we need to find del which is equal to, this is coefficient of a and y from the given equations. So from the first equation coefficient of a is 3 and the coefficient of y is 2. From the second equation coefficient of a is 2 and the coefficient of y is 3. Now listen to this. From this now I am going to determine, first we need to determine these values. So 3 3s are 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is what? That is plus 5. So plus 5 is the value of del. Next I am going to find del x. Del x is nothing but, that is I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of a. I am going to change the first column. Listen, 12, 13. In the place of coefficient of a, I have written the constant values. So and we need to write the coefficient of y. There is no changes. That is 2, 3. Listen. Now determine these values. So 12 into 3, that is 36 minus 13 into 2, 26. Now 36 minus 26, what will you get? Remaining is 10 plus 10. Next del y. Del y, that is also very simple. Listen to yes. Del y which is equal to, now in the place of, I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of y. So coefficient of a 3, 2 and the constant value, that is what are that? 12, 13. Now I am going to simplify this. 3 into 13, 39 minus 2 into 12, 24. Now subtract this. 39 minus 24, 9 minus 4 is what? 5. And the 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus 15 is the answer. From this we can find the value of, sorry yes, one thing, this is, there is no a, sorry, no x. So this is del a. From this del a equal to 12 to 13, 3. After this, this is value of del a. Now I want to find value of a and y. From this we can find value of a which is equal to del a by del. Listen yes, what is the value of del a? Del a which is equal to plus 10. Del a which is equal to plus 10 by value of del is plus 5. So after this cancellation, so 5 2 times in 10, so value of a equal to 2 and value of x equal to, because in the beginning we have considered a equal to 1 by x. If you want to take this x into the left hand side, so this a will change as 1 by a. So value of x equal to 1 by a. So reciprocal of a is x. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2. Next I am going to find value of y. Y which is equal to del y by del. So there is no changes. So what is the value of del y? Del y which is equal to plus 15. Plus 15 by value of del is 5. So after the cancellation we will get 3. Y equal to 3. Therefore this is value of y. From this you can write value of x comma y which is equal to 1 by 2 comma 3. Are you clear? For your verification you have to apply this x and y values in the any one of the given equations. Any one of the given equation you will get the right hand side values. then only it will be correct. Third subdivision, they given three equations, three variable equations. First equation 3x plus 3y minus z equal to 11. Second equation 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 9. Third equation 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 25. So from this we are going to find value of x, y, z. The solution, always we have to write the first given equations. First equation is 3x plus 3y minus z equal to 11. Second equation 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 9. Third equation 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 25. Listen to this. Now I am going to form a del equal to, that is coefficient of x, y, z from the given three equations. So from the first equation coefficient of x is 3, second equation minus 3, plus 3 and minus 1. So from the second equation 2 minus 1 plus 2. From the third equation 4, 3 plus 2. Listen to this. Now I am going to determine this along R1. So from this, so if you consider R1, first row first element, that is 3. If you consider this first row first element, listen, so omit first row and first column. So intersection of place value of 3 is what? That is first row first column. Completely omit that rows and column. So I am going to determine remaining 4 elements. So what are the remaining 4 elements? Minus 1, 2, 3, 2. Now determine this minus 1 into 2 minus 2. And while we are taking the another diagonal multiplication, we have to keep minus. So minus 3 2s are 6. So and minus 3. Why sir you are putting minus? Listen, yes. So position of 3 is what? That is A11. First row, first column. A11. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. If you get even number, we have to keep plus. If you get odd number, we have to keep minus. Listen. So position of this 3 is what? Center value of first row. That is A12. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So 3 is odd number. So that's why I keep minus. Do you understand? From this, after this, now I am going to omit first row and the second column. So remaining elements, we have to determine this. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are minus 8. So last element is minus 1. Listen to this, omit first row and the third column. 2 3s are 6 and minus and minus plus 4. 1 4 is 4. Now I am going to simplify this. 3 into minus 8 and minus 3 into minus 4 minus 1 into plus 10. Listen, 8 3s are 24. So plus to minus, minus 24 and minus plus 3 4s are 12 and minus 10 from this. Listen to this. So now first I want to add the negative values, that is minus 24 and minus 10. From this minus 34 and plus 12. So 12 subtracted from 34, what will you get? So minus 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. So minus 22 is the value of del. Next I am going to find value of del x. Listen to this, value of del x. So del x, which is equal to, in the now I am going to replace the constant value in the place of x, coefficient of x. Listen, so I am going to change this first column. So what are the constant value? That is 11, 9, 25. And the coefficient of y and z, when you write the same thing. So 3 minus 1 plus 3. 3 minus 1 plus 3. So in two columns, no changes. So minus 1, 2, 2. Now determine this. Along R1, I am going to determine along R1. So first consider 11. If you consider 11, omit first row and first column. So minus 1 into 2, minus 2 and minus 3 2s are 6 and minus 3 center value. Omit first row and second column. Remaining 9 2s are 18 and 25 2s are 50 minus 50 and last element, that is minus 1. Now omit first row and the third column. 9 3s are 27 minus plus 25. Listen to this. From this I am going to find 11 into minus 8 and minus 3 into, listen to this, 18 minus 50, that is minus 32, minus 32. Listen, minus 1 into 27 plus 25, that is plus 52, plus 52. Very simple, from this we can write 11 into minus 8, that is minus 88, and minus to minus plus, so 3 into 32, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, so 96 is the answer. Next, minus 1 into 52, that is minus 52. This is equal to minus, now I am going to add the negative values, that is minus 88 minus 52. What will come? 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 9, so 140, minus 140. From this, plus 96. Now I am going to subtract 96 from 140. So greater number of minus sign, so I keep minus. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 3 is there, so 13. 13 minus 9 is what? 4. So minus 44 is the answer. In the next step, I am going to find del y. Listen to this. So very simple. I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of y. I am going to change the second column. Listen. So what is the first column? That is 3 to 4. 3 to 4. This is coefficient of x. Now I am going to change the coefficient of y. So what is the constant value? That is 11, 9, 25. 11, 9, 25. Listen. So third is, that is minus 1. 2, 2. Now I am going to determine along R1. So consider R1. So if you consider 3, omit first row and first column. 9 2s are 18, minus 25 2s are 50, and minus 11, that is center value. Minus 11. So keep first row, omit first row and the second column. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 2s are 8, and minus 1 into omit first row and last column. 2 into 25, 2 25s are 50, and 4 9s are 36, minus 36. Now listen to this, very simple. So 3 into 18 minus 50, so that is remaining is what? Minus 32, and minus 11 into 4 minus 8 is minus 4, minus 1 into 50 minus 36, what will come? 50 minus 36, so 14 is the remaining, 14. The next step, 3 into minus 32, 396, so minus 96, minus the minus plus 44, and minus 14. So here you have to add the negative values, that is 96 and 14, 110, minus 110 plus 44, plus 44. So minus 110 plus 44, which is equal to what will come? From this we can write. So listen to this, 10 minus 4 is 6, and here 10 minus 4 is 6. So minus 66 is the answer. That is value of del y. Next I am going to find del z. So del z, I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of z. I am going to change the last column. So del z, which is equal to, listen, coefficient of x is what? That is 3 to 4, 3 to 4, and the coefficient of y is 3 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 3, and the constant value 11, 9, 25, 11, 9, 25. From this we can solve. Listen to this, consider 3 into, omit first row and first column. So determine remaining 4 elements. So minus 1 into 25, minus 25, and minus 9 3s are 27, and minus 3 into, listen to this, omit first row and second column. 2 25s are 50, 2 25s are 50, minus 4 9s are 36, last element plus 11. Now omit first row and the third column. 2 3s are 6, minus the minus plus 4, so 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4. Listen, so 3 into minus 25 minus 25 minus 27, so what is the summation of this? Minus 52, and minus 3 into 50 minus 36, remaining is what? Plus 14, and plus 11 into 6 plus 4 is 10. From this, so 3 into 52, 3 2s are 6, and 3 5s are 15, so minus 156. From this, minus 3 into 14, that is 3 4s are 12, 2 remaining 1, and 3 is 3, 42, plus 110. Now I am going to add the negative values. So what are the negative values? 156 minus 42. So 8 and remaining is what? 5, 4, 9 and 1. So 198 minus 198 plus 110. So from this, which is equal to remaining is what? Minus 198 plus 110. From this, minus 88 is the answer of del z. From this, I am going to find value of x, y, z. So x is very simple. X equal to del x by del. So what is the value of del x? What is the value of del x? So the very first we have find, that is minus 44. So value of del is what? Minus 22. I am going to find here minus 44 by value of del is minus 22. So after the cancellation, we will get value of x equal to 2. Now I am going to find value of y. So value of y is what? Del y by del. So what is the value of del y? Del y, which is equal to minus 66. Minus 66 by minus 22. So after the cancellation, we will get, which is equal to plus 3. This is value of y. Next, z equal to del z by del. So this is equal to del z is what? Del z we have find, that is minus 88. Minus 88 by minus 22. So after the cancellation, we will get z equal to plus 4. Now I have find, therefore, value of x, y, z, which is equal to 2, 3, 4. Listen, yes, for your verification, you have to apply these values of x, y, z in any one of the given equations. That time you will get right hand side. If you get right hand side values, then only your answers are correct. Otherwise, which is wrong. Are you clear? That's it.